Welcome to Changfied YouTube channel, your trusted source for latest updates across South Sudan and beyond. Before we proceed, please help the channel by subscribing and turn on the notification bell so whenever we upload a new video, you can be notified. Today we bring you one of the most serious and emotional updates from South Sudan political and military scenes. The tension between the South Sudan People Defense Forces, SSPDF, and the Sudan People Liberation Army in opposition, SPLA has reached another breaking point. In this report, we will explain what really happened, what each side said, and what this means for peace and stability in South Sudan. Last week, South Sudan Chief of Defense Forces, General Paul Nang Majok, issued a strong order. He told several army groups, including the SPLA, to report themselves to government army, barrack, and training center immediately. The general said it was part of the peace agreement to bring all forces under one national command, but his message also carried a warning. And he said any group that refused would be considered hostile and could face possible disarmament. That statement quickly spread across the country and caused shock and anger among SPLA members and leaders. The SPLA reaction. On October 12, 2025, SPLA released a press statement responding strongly to the SSPDF South Sudan People Defense Force message. Their spokesperson, Colonel Lampol Gabriel, said the order from the SSPDF was false and disrespectful. He said, and I quote, "The SPLA read with dismay statement written by the SSPDF spokesperson Major General Lu Reikong, falsely claiming that General Paul Nang has power over SPLA. This is not only false but a dream that will never come true." The SPLA made it very clear that they are an independent movement with their own command, led by Dr. Riek Machar Durgon, the commander-in-chief of the SPLA. Colonel Lampol Gabriel continues saying, Paul Nang should focus on his tribal politics with the SSPDF South Sudan People Defense Force and avoid crossing a line above his level. He told all SPLA forces to ignore the SSPDF threat and stay focused on their liberation struggle to bring genuine peace to the people of South Sudan. The SSPDF statement wasn't only about SPLA. General Paul Nang order also targeted two other groups, one called the Red Bell Movement in Bor County and another group of army youth in Warab State, the home area of President Salva Kiir Mayardit. According to SSPDF, the Red Bell Movement has been seen wearing military uniform in Bor Town. They claim to protect their communities from attack, but the government say they are now a criminal organization. The South Sudan People Defense Force gave them what they call a golden opportunity and honor to serve the nation by joining the National Army, but the message also warned those who refuse will face forcible disarmament at the earliest time possible. The same message was sent to youth in Warab State. They were given 21 days to handle over their weapon or face a comprehensive disarmament exercise. The third directive was the most controversial. It called on SPLA force to report to the nearest SSPDF, South Sudan People Defense Force, barrack as part of its deal transitional security arrangement. He said that any SPLA who refuse will also be forced to be disarmed. But it also said that anyone who does not obey this order will be considered a hostile force. That line, considered hostile forces, was what angered SPLA and many citizens across South Sudan. They saw it as an open threat that could start conflict. A senior SPLA officer, General Sunday Martin, told Radio Tamazui that the SSPDF order was a clear violation of the 2018 peace agreement. He said, and I quote, "This is a clear declaration that the peace deal is null and void. The army ship is acting outside the peace framework." General John also asked why the South Sudan People Defense Force continue to attack SPLA base if they claim to want peace and unity. Civil society leader also reacted quickly. Bol Dengbol, the executive director of Interpret South Sudan, warned that the SSPDF, South Sudan People Defense Force, tone sounded more like a threat than an invitation to peace. He said, "The order is not call for dialogue. It sounds like threat and may push this group to isolate themselves even more and possibly become aggressive." Bol Dengbol added that many local youth groups in South Sudan carry guns to defend their communities because insecurity remains high. He warned that forcible disarmament could have innocent people unprotected and open to attack. It could leave the innocent people to the outsider that could come and attack them, like what have been happening when Murle come and took our kettles, raiding our kettles and abducting our children. And we do not want these things to happen to our community. That is why we have all this group. The 2018 peace deal was supposed to unite rival forces into one national army, but a year later, many promises are still not fulfilled. The process of training and unifying force has been slow, delayed, and filled with mistrust. Even though both SPLA and SSPDF are part of the peace government, small clashes have continued. In March this year, fighting broke out between the SSPDF and SPLA troop after the arrest of a senior SPLA leader, Dr. Machar. Those clashes destroyed cantonment site and put the unification process even farther back. Across social media, South Sudanese citizens are sharing mixed opinion. Some support the SSPDF move, saying it is time to unite all forces and end of division. Others believe the army chief statement was too aggressive and could cause new violence. Many ordinary people are simply tired. Tired of war, tired of threat, tired of waiting for peace that never fully arrived. If we look deeper, this is not just about order or uniformed. It is about trust, a trust that was supposed to be built under the 2018 peace agreement. For the SSPDF to issue such a directive without full coordination with SPLA raises serious question about the future of peace. The SPLA insists they are still committed to peace, but they will not allow themselves to be humiliated or treated as lower forces. The South Sudan People Defense Forces, on the other hand, said it wanted to complete the unification process and maintain order in the country. But can peace be achieved through threat and forced disarmament? Or will this approach only deepen the mistrust between the two sides? At the end of the day, the victims of this tension are not leaders. It is the people of South Sudan, the mothers who lost sons, the children who cannot go to school, the family living in fear. Both SPLA and SSPDF must remember one thing. The peace is not a favor from one side to another. Peace is a responsibility to protect the life of the very people that claim to serve. This is a time for reflection. The people of South Sudan want peace, not politics. They want safety, not fear. They want unity, not division. To the leader of SPLA and SSPDF, the people are watching, they are listening, and they are praying that you choose peace, dialogue, and understanding of a threat and war. But the problem is not SPLA. The problem is with the Kir Mayadit government. Their forces, they do not respect the 2018 peace deal that was signed. And this is what the public is saying. By ordering SPLA to report themselves to the SSPDF barrack or training center, this is also an indication there could be a clash, or there will be arrest. The government might want to arrest those who are SPLA armies. So this one is also a fear. But the SPLA are still demanding the release of Dr. Machar. And if Kir government want peace to prevail in South Sudan, he has to start by releasing Dr. Machar and his allies. Jolin kono magwasa me manan le ro dere wika South Sudan gwad me shi take role matwo kan tema kam South Sudan People Defense Force SSPDF Canadian SPLA chaladun wo take jom do dien mshora lat ka jeri poda me bana manan to bana jangach ka ken sai ne dangro ka ngulu da mo ka kwi mal ka ki mal dana gor kan ode ben rai wi ka South Sudan ko ngai konde dia la kon lat ko den no ka jan gwasme ko richi ka mat ke rik chi ka wan long akan kono ne am gor no jin bi subscribe ka Changfied YouTube channel ko bele kon no gwasme bi kan cha mala shub ka ji banti dia la kon lat ko den gwasme bana ka ling ta danen tinare rol ka ja ko te ka ton wan long te lat ko den banti dia la content work ray which bukon ka link lot yen chatwogo no shikume SSPDF marwai ka selpa kema yadi chikana odor chikana top ka kornin ten paiwa South Sudan Chief of Defense Force General Paul nang majuk sha odor chejetup gwaza me shela do ne jene sholo group ne dial ke bon dial ray wi ka South Sudan ko big road report wona ka kuma SPLA yo no big de ni ken bukari report ka de ni kuma gwada danen latkan training tin chikala no ne diale kon la dina SPLA yo te ka unified force ran gorge jeno broad the report no ka gwada danen nyai ka katen cha jo mo cha jala de ken kan ram we look no broad report which gwada dan la training tin jeno ram mo baje kep ko bom ka ba ki bne maitin kon te ka bne ka kef ka ba ka yen ram we look jeno bne gu jeno ram long mal kana moni bne ram mo bne kep ka bne yen ka jodan chalat ke je aji kuma SPLA yo chicken kula respond te ga jom chicken lat ke message dana cha gor wuri chal ke fol nang che gor no ne jeni jen gore jen wo be dina SPLA yo kan dial be ka nang gwada danan te ngi teten gwada ngi kenaten but cha jo kula lat kuma SPLA yo ka chang waro ka pai well ronkin dang ro yandang ro wi de dich take press statement mi chicken release chicken kuma SSPDF chicken ko duer long ray ma chicken manana chicken ko shi ramdan la ro ke kuma SPLA yo che kuma SSPDF che jeloj kulna lampol Gabriel chela do ne jene jawdana chala de SSPDF kane kach ka teluska dien ke kuma da ke kuma SPLA yo ko ke jen gwazmen tama ala SPLA yo chete pin kuma kirme yadi ka jom chalat kuma SPLA yo kana man chalat SSPDF spokesperson Major General Lul Rekong kana kach endo General Paul nang te ka power ko da kuma SPLA yo da reje dil pos ki da reje ka lo de ka gwa training kama nan latka training tin ka ngai kon di alano en kuma SPLA yo gen independent movement taken ke their own command Macquarian daking machar ten durgon ka jodan chalat kulna lampol Gabriel chala do ne Paul nang da focus ka dine SSPDF karodian chet line do dien che de la cross be kuma SPLA yo be ka force no yen kwaro do report gwada dan lat ka training tin kanga jen wo jen ramadan to kor mejo kuma SPLA yo ka bodori dial ki god dial ko tin ka training center dial to ko tar juba wona ka United State waka jonglei waka penal ki god dial ko tin tinte ji kuma SPLA yo tigatin jawe jaraman yam yarmal mugor kamal tele mugoro banat ba kodor ki ba ko force ka jawdana chelat SPLA yo kan shi kan man chalat SSPDF chikala do kach kachi tok kachine bu gor madan lat ken unless chamal chaje nyong jen jawdan chalat kuma SPLA yo SSPDF statement chikala do ne SPLA yo no de korean dil report General Paul nang shawdor ma chaje top kan kache kam jo kuma SPLA yo karwada sha kam bon Red Bell movement metere wij bor kabur kanti ka jongle Red Bull movement ka gad jan de charen dol te kana lat kan no kan gang kana dorken no en Red Bull group mo kan ka kor gwa de shi wo shi ganyen ka SSPDF amene me national security force aga jagre wichin bin mi bor ko de ka chol shi kana odor ma jigana kam ka bon wo yen chine ye jogo no wia kwaro dun report ki kwa benere kuma ka en wo biyen 18 kon tin bichong ala de ni SSPDF chikana odor ma jigana to bene ono odor mo odor mi cha kam ke mi jigana kam ne tin content ala ngwen jane me kwala chole Red Bell group na me mi chikare link ja ko ken ga jang ka ngai kan lode en madan le rode so chikana odor mo chiken lingano de karo report but ken karo report ngoda kwala tum ni jo dor mo ka bom en ram wi lok ba ja kep ko bom ka jo dan chikan lat gwasme eno jenta dan en chingwan yo lat ke je ko lat ken no ram mo wi lok no be odor be jelin ka war ga mi shagor ken be ken dil kep ko bom ka ta dan en lat ken je gwa dan en raiketin are war ga kan men chikan lat no gor ken no benedi albare report gwa dan en to kumeteten ka do dan ngi ken je go de ken dial de ken ka kep ko bom ne de kontin la bondial she red bill group ko ware gane sholo she kana sholo many use in warab state no kwarodun report use the tika warab state taka dor kim yadit la dor nyen dor dana be president lo kim yadit betin chaga jogo no SSPDF no yen kel ke red bill group ka jen kan wana use in tika warab state ka no kan kanu ka no wayami ke SPLA yen dial ye biarun di report ka training center ko ba yamat ala national army ke joran chikanalat SSPDF chikan warning mo chikan top but lat kan oba opportunity ba ka red bill group kan nganen kono to ka warab state la ngane jane ko bare report ka barak dung SSPDF ko become a part of national army ke menshal ka me SSPDF ka joran chikan top gwada me ka jen directive order dana shatup kume SSPDF no cholkan kume SPLA bugaro de report ka to the nearest SSPDF barak wana many yeri malka medana shatan ke 2018 peace agreement kume men right Dr. Macha shirmangai kono no Dr. Macha tere ite jena tama kate kwa lukandana baje luktin so jo mashit kana me jo mashalat. The third directive was the most controversial. It called on SPLA to report to the nearest SSPDF barrack as part of the peace deal transitional security arrangement. But the SPLA has rejected this message. Chicken look. Chairman Chaga Jogono failing to do so, it will be considered a hostile force. SPLA Pankin, Native Motilla Titula Bon, K independent, Telekarami Modega Capco Bom, Kodu DNA Kume, Katikan Kakwaren, and order Rana Chat of Guadame Chalad no she Telechong, Kitelem Belot Kaka. Boldeng Bol Jeramdal Executive Director of Interpret South Sudan, Che warning Chejetup SSPDF and no Jodun Chelat cha Jodun Chajangano Dong Jo Malka. La Jo SSPDF Wako sound more like a threat in such manner Chalado Telemal Miritin. Jimbo Force group that DNO Quarodun report or Namochele Lamal. This order is not a call for dialogue, he said. It sounds like a threat and may push this group to isolate themselves even more and possibly become aggressive. One report done at Tubguas me Kume Kirmi Yadit, and Ojoka Red Belly group can use in Warap and Okwarudu report. We are nearest SSPDF Barak, Jalaru Name Bajangane, Bonati Ko, Biking and Kabikan Korbikan talk. Alo Wadong the Corvader talk, Bako, Wajo and Latke, a chief of defense force, a Ware the Telejamal. Rede korchi and dob dande lat ke jamugoro jeno bi malbaben 2018 peace deal jen lat ke jene ko dane di aldara kamat dara bon di aldara kamat no da kamat la one national army duno ke jer wona men tame amray kone che kante di ale konte de malde je fulfill ke je ki de la let ke je kan kalat ko shi kume maray ke kirma yadi ci kana lokano bine di al bika par shi karodi lat ka power ki ku kan power ku kan consolidate ka do mi mo shi kana gorno te ka mal mi de lat re which and winemi ka South Sudan ka jawrana chalat and bon me ki bon dialati latko en wode ka rude report ni wa tem ci ka rende report ka je ko ken wa tele ka security SSPDF shaga gang la hoken la kananka mike guard ken amurle ken e diale ko ken so kuje mo kan ci ka rodien demen mat ka SSPDF ban ngoda won in charge to no ramu kan a choro da report ka SSPDF ajeno ba ngajeno agwanter kumaka ki gwantere SSPDF jo me jo mishala teken mugoro de kondi ala linganono gwata me mukwala no kuna ro de report ke training center first of all SPLA yo chaka jo ke base ni kendi alte teketen tenare kur enta cha order shale tubuno de garudi report ban munyono ne mechi chong ka social media te ne to ngwan long teacher right lat keneno man chala da kuma South Sudan o de nare report di nidial wona ka SPLA yo egwaye but ke ne to ko ken che ge SPLA yo lat ke jeno ne mechi chong ko dor ngode tel mal ma chana ta cha de jung de no en ko aro do report ka pai kana gwad mene do be de garudi report ke je ka ngai ke je ano kor me chang e pa to ka chana na ko ngode kan kwerne dakre ma char kana konluñ jeno tene jen gwada dana baje luktene wala do badien de mal der kul ben ga jemo ko ngode en ramdan kul la part of SPLA yo commander in chief den ngode jare ti jen ka lokko na jen gore jen baje yen do badien me de mal der ben ga jeme if we look deeper, well, this is not just about order or anything. Kajoran chalat. Wa muguru jeno bi malbe ben gor jeno benardi and trust ke benardi and nget. Okay. Ka cha male dane cha tan ke 2018 peace agreement charge be bain pin. But charge bain pin mission me kume ke kirme yadit and ka chi kume SPLA yo kajoran chalat. For the SSPDF to issue such a directive without full coordination with the SPLA raise a very serious question about the future of peace within South Sudan. And kukan go force kukan go order no kwaro report near the one taken no power material take a kama michi take a kuma SPLA go so jo me mle roda me de kondial de konaling gorga jeno de malder bere wika South Sudan barek take a kuma selpakim yadit ko chikan go no bete mal ben jo me jen jo dana go de konling ken please go no jen be subscribe ka Changfied YouTube channel ko bi tin kono to gwadum be kan cho mala shukiji bi ataka mal bye bye.